Okay, you Northern Lite camper owners, you know you got the best camper when you got a Northern Lite. My 96Q, I've been living in this bad boy now for going on 8 years on the road full time. Had no problem with it whatsoever. I had to replace a water pump and a couple batteries, and that's about it. But here's something you won't see on a camper, period, anywhere. This is my own security setup that I made. So nobody can kick the window in and steal all my stuff when I'm out riding my dirt bike. So what I got here is I got this bar right here, and I got a magnet up there that holds this in place. So when I leave, I close the door, drop this bar down, and I got a ace lock here. That nobody can get to with the bolt cutters. And if they want to try to hacksaw this off, good luck, because I got a stainless steel rod running down there. There's no way you can clip this with a bolt cutters or anything, man. It's a solid bad dude boy, let me tell you. So this thing's solid. Nobody's going to break into my camper when I'm gone. Now on the side window, I had to replace the side window because the wind sucked the double pane glass off. So I replaced it with this sliding window, and you see I got bars across the window so nobody can break in there and get to that. Can't get inside my camper. I can lock my stuff up here, and everything's solid, and I can ride the old KTM because this is my adventure bike. My Northern Lite Camper Adventures is on this KTM. Great motorcycle. Here's another thing you won't see on a camper on a Northern Lite is I put these aluminum trays here. They're not supposed to be really strong. They're just so I can put things down here when I got my hands full of whatever, or I'm working on my dirt bike. I can put my tools up here, and they're pretty simple. They work really great. I have no problem with them. I also got me 2 solar panels, and there's one on the roof also. And when it's really cold in the mornings, I got a space heater in there, and I fire it up with my trusty Honda generator. Plus, I put double layer cushioning on my window so when it hails, it don't blow my windshield out. I got this set up specifically for that. And also, you see that on the top there of my escape hatch? I've got that double layered with shade, windshield shade, and underneath that is a yoga mat too, just to absorb the hits from the hailstones. And there's my rack to mount my motorcycle on. That's been on there for going on 8 years now. Haven't had a problem with it at all. So all in all, my unit has been pretty good for as much miles as I got on it and the places that I've been, because it's a 4-wheel drive, and I can come to places like this with no problem at all. Well, today it's a beautiful day out here in Baus, Arizona. just a little tad hazy, but it sure isn't like a smoggy city, and it's not like Phoenix, where the air quality is pretty bad there all the time. So I'm back up here again in Baus. I had to go down towards Phoenix to Peoria, and I got my suspension lowered 2 inches. The bike is lowered 2 inches. I got the rear shock valve has sprung for my weight. I got the forks dropped down, sprung to my weight and valved, and I got all this done at AEO Power Sports in Peoria. Joe set me up here. I even got a lowered kickstand with it too. The whole kit cost me $1,100 to get the bike lowered, get it sprung to my weight, and get it valved so I got a nice smooth plush ride. Because this KTM from the factory was a stiff ride for me. I don't ride that fast to have a stiff suspension. So today I'm going to go, look at that, I could even swing my leg over. I can put both feet planted on the ground, and look, I could never do this with a stock suspension. Look how smooth this bad boy is. So I'm going to go out and have some fun today and test it out and do a little adjustments on my compression rebounds, and go out and have some fun. So come along and ride with me. I'm still 83 years old. In March I'll be 84. And you'll notice I have flex bars that absorbs the hits, so my worn out, dislocated motocross shoulders don't suffer. Boy, already I can tell the difference in the ride. Much smoother. I don't feel all the rocks I'm running over. So I can pretty much go where I want to go now. Yeah. KTM warm up a little bit more here. Yeah, I'm liking this lower center of gravity. I can dab now when I have to without falling off. Yeah, I can turn around real easy now. I can dab real easy. Oh, my hand's a little break here. Like desert arch. Oh, the suspension, I'm loving this. Hey, Joe at AEO. Thanks a lot, man. The suspension is working really great for me. You guys did a really good job. And tell your suspension man down there, he valved it just right for me. And I just went out a little bit ago and went across the desert, cross country, hit all the rocks, and it was just Cadillac smooth.